Alright beauties, I'll give you a quick overview really quickly. This is my little beauty space. So when you first walk in, of course you can see my vanity. Brett actually built the tabletop for me and put them on risers because those are the cheaper Michaels little drawers. So we're gonna come over here. You guys know that I'm all about positive affirmation, positivity, all that kind of stuff. Of course I'm obsessed with unicorns. I love frogs. I just recently got this. It is a mirror that hangs on your door, but it is also a jewelry thing. Hi. So we will come in here. I got this so that I could put my nail polishes and stuff in here and the little bit of jewelry and stuff that I do have. And it works perfectly. It has little drawers and stuff in here. So that's all my nail polishes. I don't have real jewelry. Everything I have is basically from the Lulu experience or paparazzi. Pretty much that's it. And then I have just a couple little bracelets. And then some necklaces and a couple more pieces from paparazzi, but this was very inexpensive and I'm so happy to have this. And then I also already had a mirror here so that I could of course see myself when I get dressed and stuff. I love frogs. I collect frogs. There's some unicorns. A unicorn. I have some headbands here. There's my window, and I like to have my vanity here. And I try to film as much as I can during the daytime so that I have the best natural light as well. And there's some artwork of Caleb's. My skull from Katie. There's a picture of Robin Williams that a friend did for me. I absolutely loved him. Again, more unicorns, more positive affirmation, positive vibes. My Jack and Sally stuff, more unicorns. And we'll come this way. And then I just have like fingernail polish removers and stuff like that. My little butterfly from the Puzzle Culture box. There's a picture of my niece. Again, positive affirmation. I also collect owls, and I think owls are super beautiful. I love them so much. A couple extra brush holders, brushes, a couple of like my prettier palettes, if you will. And then up there is all unicorns. And then that's Sarah with my blonde wig. But I have unicorns and stuff that are from several different people. And then just some little pretty girly stuff again. There's all my little skulls. That clear skull in the back, I just put beads in it. It was vodka that I got for Brett years ago for his birthday. But it matched my room, so why not? And then I just have, again, just cute little stuff. Again, positive affirmation stuff, my Jack and Sally. And then over here I have, not necessarily a perfume collection, because that's all I have. I only have a few. But I try to color coordinate stuff too. Like over here, like my tray is pink, so I try to put like other pink things over here. And then I have like some pens and stuff that people have sent me. A couple highlighters, my little butterfly from Katie. And then this is my teeny tiny little perfume collection. I love anything that's very sweet and soft. I also like florals. There's my Nikki palette. An old picture of Caleb and I. Picture of, that's so bright you can't really see it. Picture of me and my sister when we were both a year old. Well, obviously I'm older than her, but me at a year old, her at a year old. My other best friend slash sister right here. And then again, just some positive affirmation, cool little pictures, stuff like that. Again, positive affirmation, a mirror, hey. And then I have some lipsticks and stuff here. And then I decided to put my yellow highlighter with my yellow butterfly over here. And then we will sing around. Hopefully I didn't just make you guys drunk. My backdrop is literally a shower curtain from Walmart, you guys. And then I have a curtain rod that has like the little marble, like spindles, is that what you call them? Whatever they are, little marble things, because the stuff in here is marble. But very inexpensive, and it looks really good. Nobody ever knows that it's just a damn curtain. And then there's my little setup back there. And those two shelves are just skincare on both, and then skincare at the very bottom I need to try. That is like giveaway stuff slash things I need to put up. And then there's an extra lamp for when I do film at nighttime, and it lights up the background so it's not too much of a shadow getting cast. And then here's the back side of the vanity. Again, I really love the marble look. I got these marble brush holders, you guys. They're very heavy and very well made. They're like $10 on Amazon. And you can see they hold a shit ton of stuff. Another little unicorn. But I have all the marble and stuff like that in here. A little marble candle. That is my ring light. I just got it from a friend for very inexpensive. So that is it. And then back here, Brett also, when he built this, Brett also built me like a little plug-in and stuff like that so I could plug in my lights, charge my phone, etc. And then we'll come around this way. And that is where the magic happens. So I basically keep, there's some earrings that I've worn in recent videos and stuff like that. There's a giveaway that's actually going to be in the video I'm filming today after this. But this is all brow stuff. And then like mascaras and stuff like that. Brushes, kind of everyday little things. There's my mirror that I open up. And it has like a regular mirror and then like 5 times and 10 times magnification, I believe. So basically when I'm sitting here when I'm filming. And then this is all, you guys know I'm all about lip care. So this is all lip scrubs, lip oils, balms, treatments, etc. Cotton balls, like mascara wands, applicators. This is like everyday type makeup. Just like, I guess like painting project type of stuff. I use hand sanitizer like it's going out of freaking style. So I use it every time that I come in here to do my makeup, if I'm doing someone else's makeup, etc. And then again, these are the little Michaels drawers. That's what that cabinet is as well over there. These 2 white dressers were literally a little over $100 at Walmart. I've looked into the Alex 9. They're just too small for the price. I'm sorry. But the Michaels ones I got for $30 each. So pay attention for sales and stuff, you guys. It has taken me 3 years to get my room to this place. Again, that's a Michaels one. That's just a Walmart dresser. And then these were also Michaels ones that Brett, again, he just built risers on them. So it will be obviously tall enough for me to use. And then he put this top on. This little stuff right here is, I think it's called Cricut paper, Cricut stuff. But it's cool because I can just wipe away everything. Waterproof, dirt resistant, all that kind of stuff. And of course we will actually dig into all the drawers and stuff when the declutter starts happening. But I just wanted you guys to see my room. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I'm finally happy with it, finally satisfied with it. It's beautiful, it's girly, I love it. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Thank you to Brett too, because it has taken, again, 3 years for me to get it to a place I really love it. And then basically, like in this one, it's all hair stuff. That one over there is all my everyday makeup, slash makeup I'm trying to really use up. And the makeup I need to try. And then that one over there also has like extra hair stuff, extra nail stuff. That is all complexion products on the top, and then like highlighter, bronzer, things like that. This one, the top drawer is all lipsticks, and then all the other drawers are all palettes. Yes, I have a problem. That one right there is all extra brushes, and then like utensils, like wipes, things like that. So we will go through all of that as we start the declutter series very, very soon. But this is my beauty space. I'm proud of it. She's small but mighty, like me. Again, it's just super girly and very pretty and very soft and feminine. And then, you know, there's so many things that other people have sent me, so I want to keep them and display them. And I'm proud of my little space. So this is where all the magic happens, so to speak. And that is all giveaways that I've either already announced or that I will be announcing very soon. So I keep all of my giveaways together and put little sticky notes on them so I don't forget who won. So that is it. I hope that you guys like this video. I love y'all so much. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.